Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which Sketchup version you're running and opening Extensions Manager. This matters because paths differ by version. Once open, scan the list and jot down exact plugin names and vendor info so you can find files later. Make sure Sketchup is closed before changing files. Closing prevents locked files and lost settings. Also, prepare a backup folder on your desktop. You'll copy folders there before deletion so you can restore if something goes wrong. Now you locate the actual plugin files in the Sketchup plugins or extensions directory for your operating system. On Windows, that's often in App Data, and on Mac OS in Library/Application Support. Once located, move the plugins RB, RBS, RBZ, or extension folder to your backup folder. Don't empty the recycle bin yet. Also check Preferences and any support subfolders for leftover config or cache files and move those too. This prevents residual behavior when you restart Sketchup. Finish by restarting Sketchup and confirming the plugin is absent from Extensions Manager and menus. Test basic tools to ensure nothing else broke. If Sketchup throws errors on startup, open the Ruby console to read messages, then restore the moved backup files to revert quickly. If the extension had an uninstaller, run it instead of manual deletion. Make sure to clear caches and preferences if odd behavior persists. These steps resolve most remaining conflicts without reinstalling Sketchup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.